generally when you log into Insight, you come into a dashboard that looks something like this. Instead of using the general search that you're all very familiar with, and if you're not, certainly reach out, we can do some training. We're going to click over here to Ask Sophia. So you're going to see that I have the ability to come in here and start typing. I want to search textile and hygiene, let's say since 2018. So what the tool is doing now is it's taking the words and phrases that I put in here, the dates, maybe names of companies, etc., and it's creating a search for me. Notice that the chatbot also asks me a question if I want to focus my my search into something more specific. What I can also do is come down here and say, I want to remove the words woven and non-woven from the query. So what I can do is I can do that, and you're going to see that it's going to edit the query and it's going to reduce the number of inventions. So what I can say is I want to not search the IPC classes, let's see, DO3D, nor DO4H, nor do I want to search A41D because it refers to outerwear, etc. I don't actually want A61F either, nor A61F, because it's too medically specific. I don't want stents or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in there, and it's going to update it. When I'm ready to do the search, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click onto the word explore. And that what it'll do is it'll actually open up the search that I'm going to work on it here in a moment. So now what you're seeing is it's loading the latest search results. And if I wanted to see what the actual search is, it's right here. And you're going to notice that I can also edit the search. If I click in, I can reopen the chat, which is here, and see where I left off. So it's pretty easy to update the query. Just as I said, you can click right up in here, you can open the chat, and what you can do is you can ask more questions.